All right, so optimist earning forecast. The meaning the word earning forecast is going to be optimistic. इसका मतलब है the earnings or net income is expected to increase. So this was relatively easy to guess that optimist earnings, मतलब net income is going to increase. Now, when is that net income going to be increasing? Like when will the profit go to increase? Number one, if there's a high threat of substitute products. So if the substitute products ka threat is more, that means the consumers will be able to move to the substitute products. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे हम लेक्चर में मैंने बोला था कि मूवी थिएटर्स वर्सेस द ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म्स. There's a high threat of substitutes for the movie theaters, that OTT platforms offer a high threat of substitute. So there are high threat of substitutes. Obviously, that movie theater will not be able to increase the prices because he knows the moment I increase the prices, I may lose the consumers because they are having a substitute of OTT. So as the movie theaters are not going to be able to, are not having the ability to increase the price. So as the price cannot be increased, the net income is going to be not possible to be increased much. All right, so from that perspective, A was not the answer. Okay, low bargaining powers of supply. If the bargaining power of supply is lesser, the suppliers will not be able to bargain much. Okay, bargaining power of supply is lesser. That means suppliers will not be able to bargain much. So if the suppliers are not able to bargain much, then the raw material cost is going to go down. So as the raw material cost is going to go down, cost will go down, profit is going to increase. So this was the answer. Okay, so as the bargaining power of supply is lower, suppliers are not able to bargain. So as suppliers are not able to bargain, we will get the raw material cost at a cheaper we will get a raw material cost at a discount. So as the raw material cost will be lower, profits are going to be higher. And why C was not answered? If the barriers to entry are lower, if barriers to entry are lower, that means anyone can enter. There's no barrier to entry, anyone can enter. So if anyone can enter, potentially there could be more players which could increase the competition. And as the competition increases, the sales are going to go down, the market share and the sales are going to go down. So sales will go down, profits are going to go down. So basically over here, because of substitutes, and over here, because of the new players coming in, there would be a competition. And over here, the sales could go to the substitutes. Consumers could go to substitute. Because of that, the sales are going to go down, profits are going to go down. And hence the answer was B. Bargaining power of suppliers is lower. Suppliers are not able to bargain. And because they are not able to bargain, you will get the raw materials at a discounted price. If they start bargaining, they will increase the raw material cost because they do not have a bargaining power. You will be able to get a raw material at a discounted cost. So as the cost would be lower, profits are going to be higher, and hence the answer was B. Was an easy question. Raise hand if you have any doubts in this. Raise hand if you have any doubts in this. No doubts. All right.